So there is of course only one bit of news this week, and that is that our first iteration Stripe integration is now live. Now, I've explained the first iteration thing before, but I will do so again. When we release new features with the Convertri app, we don't want to spend ages adding a load of bells and whistles and then releasing them only to find out it's not actually what you wanted. What we prefer to do is get a core functioning system out the door as soon as possible and let you actually start using it. And after that, we take your feedback to see exactly what bells and whistles you really do want. That said, there are a few things we wanted in this first version that we didn't manage to get to. Right now, you don't have one-click upsells or the ability to sell recurring products or bump offers. All of these are coming and will be coming in the next few weeks. We don't consider those bells and whistles, they're just things we didn't have the time for. And we figured, we could hold the whole thing back for a few more weeks until we had them, but, why do that when you could be using the rest of it from today? So here's what you got, and here's how it works. In the integrations menu, you'll now see the payment processors option. Select this and you'll find the Stripe config. Enter your publishable and secret keys in the boxes, hit save, and that'll connect your Stripe account. You'll also see 3 new options in the menu on the left: Prospects, Orders, and Products. In the Prospects tab, you'll find details of everyone who's bought one of your products through Stripe, and if you're a pro or agency user, you'll also see the details of people who have signed up through one of your API forms. You can also add prospects straight in here if you like. In the Orders screen, you'll find details of all the purchases of your products, and you'll be able to refund them if you want. And the Products screen is where you set up those products in Convertri. So to do that, all you need to do is click Add Product, give the product a name and a price, and hit Create, and it'll be added to the Convertri database. In here, you'll be able to see how many sales you've got of each and how much volume they've shifted. And now to actually sell your product. So if we want to sell a product from a page, you need 2 things. You need a checkout form, and you need to attach that product to the page so that Convertri knows what you're selling. So attaching the product is very simple. Just go to the Manage Products button up here and select your product from the list. You can also change the message on the credit card statement here and set a redirect. So if you want someone to go to an upsell or thank you page after they've bought, just stick the URL in here. To make the checkout form, in the Form Inputs toolbar, you'll see a new button for credit card input. Drag that in, and that one element will have everything you need to capture credit card details. You'll also want to add an email field, and that's because right now you need to have an email submitted with the credit card data. This is so Stripe knows where to send the receipt. If an email isn't submitted, the payment won't work, so do make sure to add one and set the field as email up here. Now, this is going to become optional in the very near future, but right now it isn't, so do make sure you add it. And when you've done that, add the Submit button. And you can change the text on that, and that's it. Like I said, we will be adding features like recurring products, one-click upsells, and bump offers in the next few weeks. Until then, I hope you have a lot of fun with this first version. One final thing, this is big and this is new, so it is in beta. We've tested the hell out of it, but please, for the love of God, test your funnels yourself before you drive traffic to them, and if there's problems, do let us know. And also let us know what else you want to be able to do with this. The beauty of a first iteration version is that it only gets better from here. So happy selling, and I'll see you next week.